Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda CRV cabin air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. It's important to ensure your Honda CRV is completely turned off before you begin this simple maintenance task. This ensures safety and prevents any accidental issues during the process. Let's get started. Now, let's access the filter. Open your glove box and remove all items to give yourself plenty of space. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently detach it. Then, carefully press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the two stopper tabs. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing cover behind it. It's a straightforward step. With the housing exposed, you'll see two small retaining clips on the cover. Unclip these, and then carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation. Now, insert your new cabin air filter into the slot, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, just like the old one. This ensures optimal air circulation. Almost done. First, reattach the cabin air filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Next, lift the glove box back into position, gently pushing in on the sides to re-engage the stopper tabs. Don't forget to reconnect the dampener arm on the right side of the glove box. Finally, close the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, and now you can enjoy much cleaner air inside your Honda CRV. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.